Yep, I fell asleep. Now I'm recording. Hello. What's going on, everybody? It's Ready Bros here, and today we're not doing anything too special, but later we are. Later after I get done eating, I've got to show somebody, teach somebody a lesson. And there hasn't been many comments over it, so I already think I know who has won the can. In my opinion, he's a cool guy. He's awesome. Let me go to my video. Sorry, guys. Okay. And full review. Congrats. You won the can. After it gets shot, you can, if you really do want the can, then you can try to find me on my Facebook, and we can talk about it then, how you want me to get it to you or anything. And my Facebook name is Chandler Watson, Chandler Watson. And so yeah, we're gonna be shooting this Copenhagen snuff can, and it's still full. So, but the review is on Kayak grape. Just picked it up. Thought I'd give it a go. I don't like anything grape at all. I think my mom caused that, because I always had to take like grape cough syrup whenever I had a cold, and it sucked. It tasted awful. It made me want to throw up. But, oh sweet Jesus, that's real strong. That is really strong. And the warning label gives me a problem with it. And through. That is gnarly, guys. This and I am scared to try. I'm not getting too big of a pinch because I almost know I'm going to throw up on this. That smells awful. Oh my god, that's bad. My opinion, smell 2, taste 2. But guys, I'm gonna videotape me shooting the can, so that will be on after you see this one. So or I'll start recording it after this one gets uploaded. But Kayak grape, long cut, moist snuff. Smell 2, taste 2, crap. It's awful. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button. Give me some more ideas down here in the comment section below. And I'll see all you brothers and crazy mother truckers in the next video. Bye, guys. I can't get the freaking taste out of my mouth.